Hello, folks. Welcome back to week 23. I'm going to quickly go over our assignments because it shouldn't take me very long due to the fact that we're still building off of last week. So last week we worked on 4 assignments for the screw jack assembly, and we did the nut, the cup, the screw, and the body. This week you're going to be doing the screw spindle, the tummy bar, the special washer, and then the assembly itself. So that is what you're going to be going through today, or this week, really. Some of you may have started already, but I did make live those assignments so that you can get them turned in where they belong. Again, the reason I have it like this is so that we have a few more assignments in our grade book, because one assignment for 2 weeks is not going to cut it for us. Plus, it allows me to focus. So remember, you're inserting, if I click on the assignment itself and open it up, you're inserting a picture, and then you're also sharing with me on Onshape your file. So just in case something were to happen or I feel like something's off, I can go look and see with your file. So you're only sharing it with me individually. But that is what you're working on. I started working on it too, so if you have any questions, obviously feel free to shoot me a message. If not, the assembly is where I think people will have the most amount of questions, just due to the fact of maybe they don't know if something turns or is fastened or slides or something like that. So you guys can get started. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.